curly hair routine. I am not a professional by any means, but I thought I would show you guys how I style my hair on a regular basis for anyone who's interested. So let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm doing is wetting my hair and getting it ready to shampoo. Right now I'm using the Argan Oil Organic Shampoo, and I'm just going to be applying that, focusing on the scalp only. So next I'm going to be taking this little brush that I got off Amazon for maybe $2 or $3, and I'm just going to be using that to massage my scalp. This will help with any buildup and also promote hair growth. So after I rinse out the shampoo, I'm going to be conditioning with the Aussie Miracle Moist. As you can see, it's almost gone. And I'm going to be applying this on the bottom half of my hair. I don't apply conditioner to the scalp because that causes buildup. Just splitting my hair in half so that I can detangle. I'm using a wide tooth comb, and I am starting from the bottom and working my way up. After rinsing that out, I'm going to be applying this protein treatment by Shea Moisture. I've been doing this about every week or every other week in an effort to grow my hair back out. The consistency is very thick, so you don't need a lot, but I'm applying that all over. Once I'm done with that, I'm just taking a scrunchie and tying my hair up into a loose bun. Now I'm going to let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Usually I just let this sit while I finish up the rest of my shower, and then I rinse it out. Once I am out of the shower, I just put my hair into a microfiber towel, and after about 5 minutes I take it off. Once I take that off, I'm just spraying my hair with a little more water. Then I'm applying a leave-in conditioning cream by Cantu. So I'm working that in from root to tip, and then I'm brushing it through with a wet brush. be applying this tea tree oil by Cantu. And I just like to apply that to the edges and the ends of my hair. So now I'm just sectioning my hair off to prepare for styling. The sections don't have to be perfect. I usually just do 3 or 4 sections. So now I'm just taking my Curl Activator Cream by Cantu. And I'm applying about that much to that section of my hair. Next, I'm just repeating the same steps on the next section of my hair, and I'm kind of just raking this through. Now I'm just going to grab my wet brush and use that to clump the curls together. So now I'm moving on to the next section, and at this point I like to part my hair. I personally like my hair to be parted to the side, so I'm just using my fingers to do that, but you can always use a comb. Music keeps me dancing. To put these little clips in to give me some volume. Sometimes I don't have time to air dry, so in that case I diffuse. So I flip my head over and I hold the blow dryer underneath, and I just hold it in the direction of the curls. also flip my head over so that my hair has movement. Once my hair is all dry, I just like to take some more of that oil that I used earlier and put that in my hands so that I can separate the curls without making them frizzy. Okay, now I'm gonna do my edges. I just use some Eco Styler and a little brush. Now, if my bangs are a little long like they are right now, then I will just take a pick and use that to fluff them to get them out of my face. Now, when I get ready to go to bed, I just take a scrunchie and I put my hair into a pineapple, which is basically just a really high ponytail on the top of your head. Next, I just take a bonnet, put that on, and I am ready to go to sleep.